All right, so I'm going to show you how to get into your Canvas account. So first you want to launch Chrome. If you don't know how to launch Chrome, I'll make a video for that as well. This is the website that you want to visit, launchpad.classlink.com/DSBPC, which stands for District School Board, Pasco County. There's likely a link up here, something like My Pasco Connect, that you can click on. Once you get there, you want to click Sign In to your My Pasco account. Your username is going to be your student number, and your password is going to be that funky district password that you have that you use for testing. So mine is slightly different than yours. If this happens, just go back to the same thing. You can click the link again. Sometimes it just kicks you out of the system, but it's no big deal. Once you're here, you're going to have a whole bunch of apps to look at. You want to focus on these for right now. These are your My Student, MyLearning, things like that. So MyLearning, sometimes we call it Canvas or other things like that, but MyLearning is the app that you want to go to. And it's going to show your active courses. If you're not seeing the course that you want to see, you can click courses here and you can go down to all courses. And then starring and unstarring courses will bring them to the top. So if you want it to show up at the top of your screen, then you would click these stars, and if you don't want them, so this one would show up and this one would not show up. So you can control that in here. So if you look at your dashboard, this is what you'll see. I haven't published my courses yet, so mine are down here. So I'll just go ahead and bring these up for you so you can see what those look like. This is what the home page is going to look like for language arts. You can see up here where it says language arts. For your other courses, it might be slightly different. And on your dashboard, you can edit what that course looks like. You can change the color and things like that. I have mine uploaded with a picture, so it says language arts, so you can't miss it. I've renamed mine ELA Infinity and the grade level. You can control the nickname, so Mr. Schmidt's class or language arts or whatever suits you, and then you can pick a color. It's still going to show you that picture that I have uploaded here where it says language arts, but you can control the color. I like to color code my things, so 6th is orange, 7th is green, and 8th is blue for me. So depending on what your grade level is, your Bitmoji classroom is going to look a little different. So that one's 7th. The first one I showed you was 6th. And so I'll just go ahead and show you 8th so you each get a little preview. But they're all much the same. You have some links here that you can click on. The first is going to be the activities that are due for the dates that are on the little whiteboard here. So between August 24th and 26th, this is what I want you to get done, and then I'll update it as we go along. There will also be other things that you can click on within the Bitmoji Classroom, and I'll try to make sure that I indicate somewhere what that is. So if you click on me, you will see my little intro video, which isn't going to start playing now, but you can watch it on your computer. And that just lets you see what my face looks like without a mask and lets you get to know me a little bit. I'll also hyperlink in some books or some tech help or other interesting things just to the little pictures in here. So make sure whenever you come into the Bitmoji Classroom that you kind of scan around the room, see if anything's new, and see if there's anything that turns your mouse into this little handprint, because that means it's an active link, so you can go ahead and click on that. If you want to be able to see all the assignments at one time rather than just what's due for this time period, you can go to Modules, and it will bring you to this page. On this page, you should be able to see Welcome. This has navigation, academic integrity, lessons, and the first few activities that we're going to be doing just to get started. You can open and close these, so as you finish a unit, you can close it up so it's not in your way. And then the due dates for the assignments will also be in here. So this one's due August 28th, this is due September 1st, this is due September 4th. Over here, you'll see these little icons. A link means that it's a content page, so it's going to share information with you. A rocket ship means that it's a quiz, and this little written assignment means that it is a written assignment. And down here you have your DBA, which isn't a written assignment, that's a discussion assessment. So you'll chat with me about the material from the unit, and then you'll have an exam at the end. So your course is going to follow that pattern throughout the year. I've tried to mark where we're going to be at like end of quarter 1, end of quarter 2. So you'll be able to see those things as the school year moves on. If you want to go to announcements, this is where I'm going to host your Zoom code. I haven't put it up yet because it's not the first week of school, so you'll be able to see that soon. If you want to look at your grades, you just go to the grade book, and in here they'll have all the assignments, and those will be organized by due date. So this one will be deleted, but this is the first set of activities. And then if you scroll way over here, your total of your grade will be here. So that's where you can go to see your grades. Over here, I can see the whole grade book, but you'll just be able to see your own grades. So instead of scrolling to the side, you'll be scrolling down, but it's much the same. You'll figure it out. So for you, this is what it will currently look like. So if you don't see announcements, it's because I haven't posted one yet, but you'll be able to see it when it pops up. You'll also be able to see the upcoming due dates, so that you know this is what you're supposed to be doing this week, but you know that this is coming up in the next couple of weeks. You can also view syllabus, pages, people. This stuff you can explore, but it's not super necessary for your first week. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I'm always here to help. Thank you.